Today I'm working on my Craftsman T110. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the blade engagement cable. This one popped on me. I bought an aftermarket cable. This is the part in case you need it. I got this in Amazon for like $12. So the engagement cable is this rod right here. That's where it goes. That's what brings the blade down and it cuts the grass. Now it's a little bit difficult to record, but I'm gonna do my best. And everything's gonna start in the top. You're gonna remove the battery, and what you're gonna do is remove also this plate. I'm hoping you know how to do it. So let me show you. The first thing I'm gonna show you is this round piece right here, a 3/8 bolt, go through there. Then once we remove that, we're gonna go down, and right here, right in the frame, there's a little space that you're gonna remove this rubber piece. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go under, and when we go under, we're gonna see a cotter pin that we have to remove. And once we remove that, we're gonna put the spring in one of the pulleys. So let me show you first. Right in here, I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna show you where the 3/8 bolt is at, and then I'm gonna guide you, and I'm gonna come through this side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the deck down first. So once we bring the deck down first, we're gonna see everything we need to do. So right in there, we have the 3/8 bolt right there, the gold one. And then once we remove that, we're gonna go down. See how the cable is broken? We're gonna go down. We're gonna remove it from right there. Come on, camera, focus. Focus, come on. Yep, right through there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down through here. It's gonna go down right through here. Then we're gonna go in this side. So the cable is gonna go right through here. That one has a cotter pin that we have to remove. And then how you see the spring, we're gonna remove the spring. So let's go in the top, remove the 3/8 bolt. I'm gonna do my best not to block you. So we're gonna remove the bolt. Maybe hold this, for it won't move while you're removing the bolt. There you go, this is how it looks. So now it's out. You can see. Now let's remove the other part. It's impossible for me to show you without blocking the camera how to remove that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you in the new one that I'm gonna put in of how to remove that. So all I'm gonna do down there is, all I'm gonna do is squeeze this like this. We're gonna squeeze it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it down and remove it. That's all I'm gonna be doing down there. It was not easy to remove. I had to use this with the combination of the big screwdriver. What I was doing is I was holding it with this and pushing it with the big screwdriver. So it's not easy at all. Then what we're gonna do is, as you can see, we're gonna go right through the bottom. You see it's gonna go right through there. And remember, the cotter pin is in the other side. So now we're gonna remove the cotter pin. I already bent it a little bit just to remove it. And once we do that, all we have to do is just push it back, came down, and all we have to do is just pull this. Now to remove the spring, because it's already broken, all we have to do is just wiggle it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it because I can't hold the camera and remove it at the same time. Now that we removed the spring, what we're gonna do now is start installing everything in. So all we're gonna do is just take the new cable because it's gonna go under, put it in through here. And remember, this right here, the 3/8 bowl, it's gonna go right in first. What you wanna do is put it by hand first. Now that we put it in by hand, what we're gonna do is use our socket. And just finish tighten it up. I'll be right back. Now that we put the bowl in, what we wanna do is, we wanna put the cable on the little hole there where we took it out before. And I'm gonna try to do it by hand. It has a gap in the middle, and I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to push it in. I think I got lucky. What I did was, I pushed it from the bottom, like this, pushed it up, and it clipped in. I think I got lucky. So now what we're gonna do is, go from there, and go to the bottom where the cotter pin goes at. We're in the bottom. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna take everything, and put it under everything. We're gonna take this plastic piece, we're gonna take the wire here, and then we're gonna turn the plastic, and we're gonna put the cotter pin right in that hole. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the cotter pin, and I'll be right back. I'm in the other side. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna push this pulley in, and when I push this pulley in, I'm gonna put the metal where it goes at right here on the hole. Hopefully that will work. Much easier to do it from the other side, but I was just doing it this way. I was just doing it this way because I didn't want to block the camera. So all you have to do is just push this in like this. While you're pushing that pulley in, right here where the spring goes at, you just have to put it in. But from that side, it's much easier. So let's see how this came out.